This is my second video on tense. Already we have done present tense in my first video. Here you will get past tense and its form. In the first part of the video, you will get the pattern, the conjugation of all the forms of tenses. In the second part, you will get the uses of all the forms. For example, what are the uses of past perfect, what are the uses of past continuous, etc. And in the third part, you will get some mistakes, common mistakes that we make, along with the question paper of HSLC or class 10 and HS or class 12. You will get some acquaintance with the question paper and practice these questions and see whether you can do it or not. And you already, if you know the pattern, it is not difficult for class 10 students to do the question paper of class 12. That is only I want to show you in this video. So now let's see the forms of past tense. Number 1, simple past or past indefinite. Number 2, past continuous. Number 3, past perfect. Number 4, past perfect continuous. Now let us see how to form simple past tense. We can take any verb for conjugation. Let us take the verb went. In first person singular number, we will write I went. In first person plural number, we went. In second person singular number, you went. Second person plural number, you went. Third person, he, she went. Plural number, they went. Now students, can you make some sentences with simple past tense? For example, we can write I went to the market, he went to his home, they went to school, etc. Please write down some sentences in simple past tense of your own. Now let's see uses of past tense. Number 1, with time expression. For example, yesterday he came here. Yesterday is the time expression. Without time expression also we can use. For example, I finished the work. Number 2, to mean recent past. For example, he came here yesterday. Yesterday is a recent past. It can also mean distant past. For example, he stayed in this house few years back. Number 3, to mean one action. For example, she wrote it. Wrote is one action. It can also mean more than one action. For example, she sang, danced and went out. Now let's see some common mistakes in simple past tense. Number 1, they didn't came. There is double past tense, didn't came. It should be they didn't come. Number 2, you wake up early is a question mark. So you begin with an auxiliary verb. Did you wake up early? Number 3, I gave you a pen yesterday. Yesterday is in past tense. So I gave. The verb should be I gave instead of I give. I gave you a pen yesterday. Now let's move to past continuous tense. Let's take the verb work for conjugation. In first person singular number, we write I was working. In first person plural number, we write we were working. Second person singular number, we write you were working. And second person plural number also, we write you were working. Third person singular number, we will write he or she was writing. And third person plural number, we write they were writing. Now let's see the uses of past continuous tense. Number 1, continuing during period. For example, he was studying all day. So all day is the period when he was studying. Number 2, continuing during moment. At 3 p.m. he was studying. So at 3 p.m. is the moment when he was studying. Number 3, continuing when interrupted. He was studying when I arrived. So his study was interrupted by my arrival. Number 4, it is also used in planned action. For example, I was planning to go there when you came. Number 5, polite request. I was wondering if I could come. So here also we are using past continuous. Some common mistakes that we make in case of past continuous tense. Number 1, I was knowing him. Knowing is a static verb, so we don't use continuous form. It should be she knew him. Number 2, he was hating him or she was hating him. It should be she hated him. Hating is also a static verb. This is not used in continuous. Number 3, they were holding a meeting. No, it should be they were going to hold a meeting. We was talking. No, it should be we were talking because we is plural. You waiting a long time. This is a question, so you have to use an auxiliary verb. Were you waiting a long time? Question mark should be there. Now let's come to past perfect tense. Let us take different verbs for conjugation. For example, in singular number, first person, we will write I had gone. For example, I had gone to the market. Plural number, we had done. We had done the deed. We have done the work. Second person, singular number, you had eaten. You had eaten something. You had eaten rice. You have eaten banana. Plural number, you had eaten. Third person, singular number, he, she had done. Third person, plural number, they had done. Now let's see the difference between present perfect and past perfect. Present perfect starts in past and continues in the present. But past perfect starts in the past and ends in the past only. Now let's see uses of past perfect tense. Number 1, it is used for the first thing when 2 or more things done in the past. For example, we reached the station, the train had already left. 2 things happened, we reached the station and the train had left. So both the work is done in the past, but the train had left before we reached. So in that case, the train had left, because had we are using here because this happened earlier than we reached. Number 2, it is also used in case of short time ago. For example, before he came, I had finished my work. Past perfect is also used long time ago. For example, by the time we moved to Delhi, I had met her. Now, past perfect is generally followed by some words such as already, yet, for, many years, since, never, just, etc. Common mistakes in past perfect. Number 1, we had went. No, it should be we had gone. The verb should be in participle. Number 2, have you seen it? No, I didn't. No, I didn't is wrong because the verb, auxiliary verb here used is have. So you will write no, I hadn't. Number 3, when we arrived, she went out. No, it should be when we arrived, she had gone out, because I have already taught you when there is 2 past tense and the thing happened earlier, we should use perfect tense. Now let's move to last form of past tense, that is past perfect continuous. In first person singular number, we will write I had been doing. Plural number, we had been doing. Second person singular number, you had been doing. Plural number also same, you had been doing. Third person singular number, he, she had been doing. And in plural number, they had been doing. Now let's see the uses of past perfect continuous. Number 1, to describe a past action already started and continued up to another action in the past. For example, the boy had been playing for an hour when it started to rain. Number 2, to express the duration before something. For example, she needed a holiday as she had been working continuously for a week. So this expresses a duration. Number 3, past perfect continuous is also used to describe the cause of something in the past. For example, he was tired because he had been walking for a long time. So why he was tired? Because he was walking. So this is the cause. Now let's see the common mistakes or errors that we see in case of past perfect continuous tense. Number 1, I had working hard, so I felt tired. No, it have been is missing here. I had been working hard. so I felt tired. Number 2, I had been hearing the song many times. I had heard the song many times. It should be in past perfect, not past perfect continuous. We don't use continuous form with static verbs such as know, like, believe, understand, etc.
Now let's see the question paper of HSLC class 10. I have selected few random questions from 2001 to 2020. All these are on past tense. Let us practice. Number 1. She died after she suffered for 5 years. What did you write here? She died after she had suffered. Number 2. 10 years passed since I met you. So 2 past tense here. 10 years passed and I met you. So 10 years passed happened earlier. So whatever happened earlier we will write perfect. Had passed. 10 years had passed since I met you. When he started for office, it still rained. When he started for office, it still had been raining. Because still is here, so with this we have to use perfect continuous. Otherwise, we could have written was raining. Past continuous. Here it will be past perfect continuous. If I know his address, I would have contracted. If I had known. If I had known his address, I would have contracted. Our teacher go to London last year. So this is distant past. With this we use went. Simple past. The teacher slipped while she, what was she doing? Was climbing. Was climbing the sticks. Number 7. The other day I meet a magician in the bazaar. I met. Past tense. The other day because it is other day. Earlier it happened already. She read a book when I saw her. This work is interrupted. When there is interruption, I have already told you. Writing past continuous. She was reading a book when I saw her. It is time. If this phrase is there in the beginning, it is time. We write past tense of the verb. It is time we went. We don't write present tense. This is one of the rule. If a sentence starts with it is time, we write past tense. I go there before she went. I had gone. Because I had gone earlier than she went. So when there is two past, one happened earlier, we are using past perfect. So with this we have ended HSLC question paper practice. Again, now let's see class 12 HS question paper. First one, I met him while go to his office. I met him while going to his office. Going will be more suitable because here the sentence pattern, I met him while I was going, it will not be suitable. So better we write, I met him while going to his office. Number 2, the train leave before I reached the station. Here there is two past tense. The train left and I reached the station. So two past tense, one we will write in perfect, had left. Already you have got in HSLC question paper also. He write the letter last night. Last night. He wrote the letter. He wrote the letter last night. Number 4. He sit in the library when I saw him. What was he doing? He was sitting. So this is interrupted. a work is interrupted by another, then we will write past continuous. He was sitting in the library when I saw him. Number 5. As he crossed the road, a bus knocked him down as he was crossing. Past continuous. Number 6. We do our we do our lessons when the lights went out. We were doing our lessons when the lights went out. Your letter reached me yesterday. Your letter, it is distance past, we will write reached. I wish my brother be here. Was here. I wish my brother was here. I write the letter last night. I wrote the letter last night. I wish I a bird. So this is something which will not happen. Here we will write past. I wish I were a bird. This will never happen. So with this we have ended our question practice of HSLC class 10 and HS class 12.